course, this is going to be a filling out round. This is a world championship level fight.
Now, we looked at the tail of the tape, John. Medyo reach advantage, Luis Castillo. So how do you think Melvin should approach this bout, knowing that he's facing a taller and a longer opponent?
We mentioned earlier that Melvin Jerusalem's power shot is the right hand, the right straight. So he has to set it up with that jab, and we have to be very, very careful with that timing. Kasi we know the Mexican fighters, they love to go to the body and disrupt your rhythm with that.
And of course, it's Mexican style of fighting, JC.
Like
Key points. Key points to victory for Luis Castillo.
Now, he needs to be very much aggressive but very accurate. He needs to make sure that whatever Jerusalem throws at him will not land.
And there goes that right hand.
And speaking of landing, diba? Right hand for Jerusalem. Jerusalem goes to the body.
Jerusalem attack the body.
There you go.
Leveling.
Good start for Jerusalem.
Attack the
Going
body of Castillo.
Another body shot. Straight body shot from Jerusalem.
right in the solar plexus of the Mexican.
Low and wide stance.
Opening, but nope.
Oh, yeah. Low and wide stance here for Jerusalem. Pinapahirapan niya ngayon si Castillo kasi Castillo really needs to either go low or he needs to punch down.
As Castillo receives a left hook from Jerusalem in that corner.
At nakita rin natin yan, look at Castillo, nag-wide base na rin siya ngayon. He doesn't want to bend over, he doesn't really need to punch down kasi every time he's gonna try to punch down, papasok sa loob si Melvin. So the way to counter that is to go wide as well.
And so far, yung reach advantage and height advantage medyo nanenegate ni Melvin.
Yes,
Because
exactly.
Whoa! And just like that,
That's what I'm talking
right hand on the button.
just
What's
like I
going
told you,
on?
just like I
Will he
told you,
survive that?
you have to watch out for that right hand. That's the killer. That's the killer right
The
there.
right hand. Will Melvin?
And Melvin is going for the kill.
Finish this fight.
Continues the pressure. Oh my God!
The referee is taking a close look at Castillo right now.
He's checking if
Castillo hanging on for dear life.
And what a
Welcome back sa ating channel mga kaibigan. At kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, please do like, subscribe, and press that notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago nating videos. Well mga kaibigan, Melvin Jerusalem mga kapatid, panalo and still champion pa rin mga kaibigan. Napakaganda na kanyang performance na pinakita mga kapatid. Dahil first round pa lang na knockdown itong si Castillo mga kaibigan. Although umabot ng 12 rounds ang kanilang laban, pinakita at pinamalas ni Jerusalem ang kanyang galing sa boxing, ang kanyang skills mga kaibigan. So matibay din itong si Castillo dahil sa dami na kanyang natanggap na suntok ay hindi ito na knock-out mga kaibigan. Hindi gumapang at saka hindi natulog mga kapatid. Good performance, congratulations Melvin Jerusalem. And malalaman natin kung sino ang susunod na challenger ng kanyang belt mga kaibigan. So thank you so much and see you on our next video.